A for apples. Apples are a member of the rose family. B for ball. Ball. The first basketballs were brown. C for cat. Cats sleep for about 16 hours a day. D for dog. Dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell. E for elephant. Elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror. F for fox. A group of foxes is called a skulk or leash. G for grapes. Grapes are actually berries. H for house. The White House has 132 rooms. I for ice. Ice is the solid form of water. J for jug. The world's largest jug is 10 feet tall. K for kite. The longest kite flying record is over 600 hours. L for lion. Lions can run up to 50 miles per hour. M for moon. The moon is 1/6 the size of Earth. N for nest. Hummingbird nests are the size of a quarter. O for orange. Oranges float in water. P for penguins. Penguins can drink salt water. Q for queen. Queen Elizabeth II has owned more than 30 corgis. R for ring. The largest wedding ring was 5.8 meters in circumference. S for sun. Sun is about 4.6 billion years old. T for table. The largest table measures 639.5 meters. U for umbrella. The first umbrellas were designed to provide shade from the sun. V for van. Van, the first known use of the term van for a vehicle was in 1829. W for water. Water covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. XX for xylophone. Xylophones were developed in ancient China. Y for yak. Yaks can survive at high altitudes. ZZ for zebra. To zebras have the same stripe pattern.